Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 9th of June, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 9th of June 2025, our assistant has ranked MicroStrategy Incorporated as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.16. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likely continuation of this rise. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 44% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 22% to nearly 70%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of around 80%. Based on our estimates, the stock's performance could vary between 31% and close to 188% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $514 and $514 and $1,127.86. Our latest daily update from MicroStrategy Incorporated includes the headline: Stronger Technical Forecast for MicroStrategy Incorporated Stock Price After Monday Trading. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price increased by 4.71% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 9th of June, 2025, rising from $374.47 to $392.12. During this trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.55%, with a low of $377.60 and a high of $394.79. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 6.12% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with 1 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 11 million shares exchanged hands for approximately $4.2 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $543, while the lowest was $102.40. Currently, the price is 27.79%, or $150.88, below the 52-week high of $543, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. MicroStrategy Incorporated, trading under the ticker symbol MSTR, faces increasing pressure following the announcement of a class action lawsuit related to substantial losses suffered by investors. Multiple law firms, including Braunstein, Gwertz and Grossman LLC, and Pomerantz LLP, have notified affected shareholders about the opportunity to join these legal proceedings. These lawsuits allege violations of federal securities laws by the company and its executives, which could undermine investor confidence and exert downward pressure on the stock's price in the near term. Additionally, the invitations to join these class actions underscore the potential financial risks facing MicroStrategy, which may lead to heightened volatility in its stock as investors assess the implications. While the growing prominence of cryptocurrencies presents a long-term growth opportunity for MSTR, the current legal challenges could overshadow these prospects and encourage investors to exercise caution. In the short term, we may observe selling pressure as more investors respond to these developments, negatively affecting the stock price. It is essential for potential investors to closely monitor the evolving situation, as the timelines for resolution and outcomes of these lawsuits may significantly influence MSTR's market performance. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity assigned MSTR a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned MSTR a hold grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned MSTR a hold grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned MSTR a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that BTIG assigned MSTR a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock indicates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these signals, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. Should there be downward corrections, support is anticipated at $377.46 and $383.38. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is typically seen as a favorable technical indicator. Despite this, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. A sell signal was noted from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 13, 2025, with the stock having declined by 6.99% since then. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot has been established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 19 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 26 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $343.03 and $297.49. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $343.03. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $297.49 and $296.86. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $17.19 between high and low, or 4.55%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 4.27%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistent negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and could pose bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 30th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are currently at negative 0.03. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at $402.69. If you do not own any shares, You may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at $343.03. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Carl J. Rickardson, who bought and sold 39,870 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 18.98. In total, insiders purchased 122,067 shares and sold 180,068 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $374.71, reflecting a decline of 4.44%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal stemming from a pivot top that occurred 18 days ago. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for MicroStrategy Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis from a recommendation to sell to a recommendation to buy. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 10th of June, we anticipate that MicroStrategy Incorporated will open lower by $3.95 and begin trading at $388.17. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.